With GAT Plus, you can change ownership of a Google Drive file from one user to another. And in this GAT Labs How-To, we'll be showing you how. Please note that GAT Unlock is required for this process. First, navigate to GAT Plus, and then go to the Drive Audit section. Select Apply Filter to find the file. In the filter, you can search by file ID or title, or any other suitable search filter to find the Google file. When you have found the file, select it by clicking on the checkmark beside the title of the file. Next, click on the File Operations button above and select File Management. In the General tab, you can change the selected file's owner. By default, when changing ownership to a new owner's My Drive, a shortcut will be created to the original file, and permissions are preserved. By choosing the Move File option, you are requesting to move files directly to the new owner's My Drive. Please note that inherited permissions can be lost in the process, and if the file has multiple parents, they will be reduced to one. This change cannot be reverted. You can also add any additional options. You can deny access for an old owner. By default, when ownership is changed, the previous owner is added as an additional contributor. You can also untrash any files in the bin folder. They will be restored and taken out of the trash during the ownership transfer. And lastly, you can set a custom folder path for the files to be placed in. Next, click on the Summary tab. Now select Send Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer for approval. When approved, the file ownership will be changed. The result can be seen in the admin log in the configuration section. And the new owner will see the file in their own My Drive. That covers this GAT Plus how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.